2 stretches today for our calves, very, very important. All of us have tight calves, mostly because either driving or people who do a lot of dancing or sports, people who are constantly on their toes like me have lot of tightness in their calves. So very important to stretch your calves every time you work out. I would rather say every day. Okay, so I'm going to change the angle. Bear with me. Okay, you just need to observe how I'm keeping my toe. So find any wall, door, anything that is nearby. Okay, place your toes on top and heel on the ground. Okay, so if you have a skirting, place your toes on top of the skirting and heel will be okay. So place your toes on top of the skirting and heel will be on the ground. Keep both your knees straight. So both my knees are straight and then push yourself towards the door or the wall. Push yourself forward, 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 forward. You should feel the stretch at the back of your knee on the front leg. If you can come all the way forward, you can also for the calves because our calves are made up of 2 big muscles. So we already stretched gastrocnemius, we will go and stretch soleus. You don't need to know the names, but you need to know the stretches. Same, exact same starting position, but this time I'm going to let my forward knee bend forward. My rear knee is still straight. I'm trying to take my knee towards the wall as much as possible. This stretch you should feel at the back of your heel. Once you feel the stretch, hold there for 10 seconds. Other side. Seven in 1,000, 8 in 1,000, 9 in 1,000, and 10 in 1,000. Wonderful. We are done for today. So then let's move to also for the calves because our calves are made up of 2 big muscles. So we already stretched gastrocnemius. We will go and stretch soleus. You don't need to know the names, but you need to know the stretches. Same, exact same starting position, but this time I'm going to let my forward knee bend forward. My rear knee is still straight. I'm trying to take my knee towards the wall as much as possible. This stretch you should feel at the back of your heel. Once you feel the stretch, hold there for 10 seconds. Other side. Seven in 1,000, 8 in 1,000, 9 in 1,000, and 10 in 1,000. Wonderful. We are done for today. So then let's move to question of the day. We are going to talk about heel pain because I am getting a lot of questions and everyone has this question that I want to get active and I started doing exercise. Usually people start their exercise routine with either just starting to walk or run, or sometimes people go to gym and try doing squats, lunges, and like calf raises and stuff like that. The standard protocol, the standard card you get in every gym. And then they want to be more active, they want to exercise, they want to move around, but then suddenly they start having lot of pain, especially in the heel, at the inner side of the heel. Okay, and that pain feels like as if you are stepping on a pebble. So pebble in a shoe kind of a pain. ऐसे लगता है उनको कि हमारे शू में कोई तो कंकड़ या पत्थर है. Every time they get up, especially first thing in the morning, or when they're getting up after a long hours of sitting, they suddenly start feeling that excruciating pain in their foot. Okay, so disclaimer, this is whatever tips I'm giving you or whatever remedies I'm giving you, I don't know who you are, what imbalances you have. So these are very generic tips, but in 90% of the times, these just 2-3 tips work well for all most of the people. So don't take these as like remedies or medicines, obviously not. You need, if you have any issue like that, you have to either contact a certified personal trainer, especially someone who is specialized in corrective exercises. You can take help from physical therapist if your case is clinical, and avoid taking suggestions from your fellow uh, gym mates or like taking suggestions from your relatives. Okay, find someone who actually knows the science behind it and who has been practicing for a long time. Okay, so 3 easy things you can do. First, obviously, that tightness or that pain basically comes from calf tightness. Okay, that's why I taught you the calf stretches today. So first thing you are going to definitely avoid is stop exercises which are causing this pain. So obviously first you will stop running or walking or doing squats, lunges, and especially obviously you will not do this because this is going to worsen the pain, right? And note that I said stop doing the exercises that is causing the pain. I am not saying stop exercise. There are many exercises which you can do without putting any weight or any load on your feet. So if you don't, we are anyways doing lot of floor exercises which don't involve putting weight on your feet. If you don't know any other exercises or if you have like specific requirement, ping me, I will be able to help you. So first thing you are going to do is you are not going to keep doing those exercises which are causing the pain. If the pain is too much, you are going to ice it. Okay, just put some ice 2-3 times a day till that inflammation goes down. Second thing, obviously you are going to stretch your calves. In 90% of the cases, just making your calves loose elevates the pain. Okay, so 2 stretches that I already showed you. If you are joined late, just rewind this and see those stretches. Other stretches that you can do for your foot is just sitting and just extending your toes like this. Okay, so these are my toes. I'm just going to extend them back and stretch this part of my foot. Okay, hold that. You can do it anytime, right? Even if you're sitting in front of television or laptop, you can do this. And do it on both legs, right? Usually one leg will be more tight, but that's fine. Make sure both legs have equal flexibility and mobility. Okay, so you can do that. Third thing, and a very easy exercise that you can do to strengthen your feet, I will show you with this mat itself. You can also do it with a normal napkin or towel. So just place that napkin or towel on the floor. Place your toes on it. Okay? Make sure the outer part of your leg, the outer part of your foot is constantly on the ground. So only part that can lift is your arch right here. Rest everything is nicely in contact with the ground, and start curling your toes. Curl your toes, which lifts your arch here, and curl more. You can continue doing this till you start feeling a slight fatigue in your arch. Okay? So this is a very, very easy thing. You can do it when you're sitting, as I said, in front of TV, or even when you're working, you can do this. Okay? So strengthen your feet and you will be fixing not just plantar fasciitis or heel pain, but many other injuries or ailments that come because of weak feet. Okay? Your feet are the base of everything in your body. So make sure you have very, very strong base.